Hey guys, welcome back to Luris YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I grew my channel from 100 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers. No fake sub, no sub for sub, just legit way. So guys, let's hop into the video. So guys, the first step is to go to your YouTube app, click on it, go to the search button, search for Prosperity X. Here you go, click on it. This one here, with this profile picture, click on View Channel. Then you collaborate with our videos. So we're gonna click on the one with the highest views, and I'm gonna click on this one with
If
6
I say
million views.
something about you, you're out.
So this is the video we're gonna be collabing with. So click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner here. Click on collab.
If I say something about you, you're
So
out. Let's go with the first challenge. You're eliminated if your favorite color is orange.
You extend this to
With your eyes closed.
click on next. So it's processing. I'm gonna wait till it's done processing. It depends on your network. It doesn't really take much. So it's loading. Yeah, it's done loading. So now you're just gonna collab. You're gonna collab with whatever is shown on your screen. So you're gonna click on.
If I say something about you, you're out. Let's go with the first challenge. You're eliminated if your favorite color is orange. If it's not, you can keep going. Like the video to gain an extra life if you get eliminated. Challenge 2. You're out if your phone or tablet is charging while watching this video. Next, open the comments and pick an emoji. If you chose this specific emoji, you're out. Need another life? Hit the subscribe button to keep playing. Challenge 4. You're eliminated if your name starts with the letter E or J. Challenge 5. You're out if your best friend is the second person that appears when you click share and then more. I'll give you a few seconds to check. Challenge 6. You're out if you're a Taylor Swift fan, and you can leave right now if you have blonde hair. You're eliminated too. And for the final challenge, you're out if you can't write your name with your eyes closed.
So it's done.
If I say something about you, you're out.
Add text if you want. But me, I'm not adding any text. So I click on that. I click on next. So guys, once you finish recording the video, once you've reacted to the video and you've collaborated successfully, you're going to just come here, click on the title, put in the same title of the video you collab with. So me, I just put a finger down challenge. You schedule the post to when you want to post it. Don't just post it immediately. Make sure you put it on unlisted first, then schedule it for like 1 day or so. So you just put in your description, add your related video if you have, add it to your playlist if you want to. And you're not doing much. Just make sure you put it on altered content because it's an AI video you reacted to. It's an AI short category entertainment. You can include your tags. Then after that, once the video is public, trust me, you're going to get to 1,000 subscribers or even more with it. With this strategy I just share with you guys, and the strategy is still working. Let me show you guys proof. So guys, this is my main channel, TV, with over 12,000 subscribers. This was exactly how I got it. So you go to content, you can see the content. Let me show you. You can see 25k sub, 24k sub, 8.2k sub. I can see sub views, 10k views, 23k views. So let's click on this one with 23k views. Let's see how many subscribers. This one gave us 616 subscribers. Let's check this one with 26k views. 26.4. This one gave us, can you see guys? It gave us plus 1.2k subscribers. So this method is working perfectly. So if you learn anything from this video, or if you learn anything from this video, or this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your current subscriber count. So I'll check the comment section to see if I can help you. Thank you.